Hey friends, welcome back to English Everyday Cafe. I'm Emily, and today I'll help you practice 50 short and powerful English sentences for daily office conversations. These are sentences native speakers use all the time. I'll explain when to use each sentence, and you'll repeat after me. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so let's begin. May. Part 1. Starting the workday. Let's begin with how we talk at the beginning of the day. 1. I check my emails first thing in the morning. Repeat. I check my emails first thing in the morning. 2. I review my schedule before I start working. Repeat. I review my schedule before I start working. 3. I make a list of today's tasks. Repeat. I make a list of today's tasks. 4. I greet my team when I arrive. Repeat. I greet my team when I arrive. 5. I log into all the work platforms. Repeat. I log into all the work platforms. 2. Part 2. Communication and meetings. Now, let's look at sentences used in meetings and team discussions. 6. Let's start the meeting. Repeat. Let's start the meeting. 7. Please share your screen. Repeat. Please share your screen. 8. Can you hear me clearly? Repeat. Can you hear me clearly? 9. I'll send the meeting notes after this. Repeat. I'll send the meeting notes after this. 10. Let's stay on topic. Repeat. Let's stay on topic. 2. Part 3. Asking questions at work. Here are sentences to ask for help or clarification. 11. Could you please explain this again? Repeat. Could you please explain this again? 12. What's the deadline for this task? Repeat. What's the deadline for this task? 13. Who is responsible for this part? Repeat. Who is responsible for this part? 14. Do you need any help? Repeat. Do you need any help? 15. Where can I find this file? Repeat. Where can I find this file? Part 4. Talking about progress. These sentences help you describe your progress. 16. I've finished the first part. Repeat. I've finished the first part. 17. I'm still working on the second section. Repeat. I'm still working on the second section. 18. I'll complete this by tomorrow. Repeat. I'll complete this by tomorrow. 19. I've sent the final version. Repeat. I've sent the final version. 20. The task is almost done. Repeat. The task is almost done. Part 5. Feedback and updates. Use these when giving or receiving feedback. 21. Great work on this project. Repeat. Great work on this project. 22. Thanks for your quick response. Repeat. Thanks for your quick response. 23. Please make a few changes. Repeat. Please make a few changes. 24. Everything looks good to me. Repeat. Everything looks good to me. 25. I'll review the document and get back to you. Repeat. I'll review the document and get back to you. Now, Part 6. Ending the day. Let's practice how to wrap up the day. 26. I've updated today's progress. Repeat. I've updated today's progress. 27. I've logged my working hours. Repeat. I've logged my working hours. 28. I cleaned up my desk. Repeat. I cleaned up my desk. 29. I checked tomorrow's schedule. Repeat. I checked tomorrow's schedule. 30. I'm logging out for the day. Repeat. I'm logging out for the day. Mini challenges. You speak. Now I'll ask a question and you will try to answer. 31. What do you usually do first in the morning? Try to answer out loud. 32. How do you prepare for meetings? Try to speak a full sentence. 33. What do you say when you need help? Use the phrase, "Could you please help me with this?" 2. Motivational outro. That's it for today, friends. You just learned 50 practical sentences for office communication. Practice these every day, speak them out loud, and use them in real situations. You are making progress step by step, word by word. This is English Everyday Cafe. I'm Emily. Keep learning, keep practicing, and always believe in your growth. Bye for now.